The jump rope twister is one of our favorite two-footed moves that involves a lot of hip flexibility. So great for coordination. Do it long enough, good for endurance. Challenge your hips. That's the focus of this video. So this is Tim Haft and Shana Brady from Punk Rope, and we're going to tackle the twister step today. It's a pretty nifty move. Always start without the rope if you're learning for the first time, and Shana's going to show you the footwork. So essentially your legs are going one direction, but your upper body is going to stay square. So depending on your hip flexibility and also flexibility of your rib cage, that'll determine how far you can twist. So at first, don't worry about the range of motion so much. Just try to get into the movement. Legs are close together. Big toes are almost touching with Shana. It'll be different for everybody. And so there's a partial twist, which is just twist to one side. And then you want to test going the other direction, and you may notice a slight difference. Again, it's going to depend on your flexibility. And then the full twist would be side to side, kind of like the old-fashioned chubby checker twist from the 50s. And you'll see Shana's got those elbows in tight, soft knees. So that's the footwork without the rope. You always want to start that way. Then you can introduce the rope to the side, again if this is new to you, so that you get the feel of swinging while you're performing the footwork. Find that rhythm. This way you can build some confidence because you don't have to worry about tripping over the rope. And Shana's using a Green Day punk rope, which is about 4 ounces. But obviously use any rope that you like. So now the next step is to introduce the rope. So one handle in each hand. We're going to try the same thing. And this time Shana's going to take that rope under her feet. So starting with basic balance, and then you see hips are turning to the left, back to center, to the right, so she's getting comfortable with the movement. And you can switch it up as you go, center. And now the twists are more frequent. There's still that intermediate hop in the center. And then the more advanced version would be twist to twist to twist to twist, right? Okay, much more challenging. So Shana will take a break for a second, and we'll just talk about a couple of other possibilities here and see if she can back up just a hair. So one possibility is to do the twist with motion, in other words, moving forward or moving backward. Obviously there's already motion. This is coming forward toward the camera, and then she's moving backward. So making the step a little bit more dynamic. We like it for most athletic endeavors. Here she's taking it laterally and laterally the other direction. Awesome. And then to challenge your coordination, you could try turning backwards while performing the twist. That's a quantum leap forward in difficulty. Again, just trying to introduce some variations, make it a little bit more fun, more challenging. But it's a really nice basic two-footed step that gets the hips involved more than some of the more traditional jumps like basic bounce or, you know, a boxer step. And there you have it, the twister and the half twister. Thanks for joining us, guys. We'll see you next time.